What's the meaning of creamer? Creamer. Creamer.
Creamer. Creamer. Creamer is a dairy or non-dairy product added to coffee or tea to make it creamier and richer in taste. It is usually added in small amounts to enhance the flavor of the beverage. Creamer is available in liquid, powder, or granular form and may be flavored or unflavored. Non-dairy creamers are made from vegetable oil and other ingredients, while dairy creamers are made from milk or cream. Creamer has become a popular addition to coffee and tea, as it provides a creamy taste without the need for extra milk or cream.